Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics: sample rate, buffer size, and that plugins are allowed. Open Preferences and use Plugins Manager to scan any new O or third-party packages. Once done, create an instrument or audio track, click an empty insert slot in the channel strip, and pick the plugin you need. This gets you directly into signal flow so you can hear changes immediately. Make sure to save the project before heavy tweaking to avoid losing work. Now you focus on how the plugin interacts with your track, verify input and output routing, and check track I/O so audio actually passes through. Tweak parameters deliberately, start with a preset, then refine knobs while listening. Use smart controls for grouped macro control and draw automation lanes for movement over time. For complex processing, chain multiple plugins in a logical order, or use a send to an aux bus for shared reverb or delay. This approach keeps mixes coherent and repeatable. To finish, commit your sound. Bounce or use freeze to reduce CPU while locking plugin choices. Make sure Logic's latency compensation is active so timing stays tight. If you encounter clicks, dropouts, or bypassed plugins, disable suspect third-party plugins and update their O wrappers, then rescan in Plugins Manager. Once done, test the same plugin in a fresh project to isolate the problem. Also keep plugin presets and backups so you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.